How's it going, everyone? This is EK1 Gaming, and we are back today with another tech video. And it's kind of a tech video, but this is related to gaming as well. We're going to be reviewing and looking and unboxing and doing all the good stuff with the Rode NT USB microphone. Not only am I going to unbox it and show you everything you get with this mic, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. This is not a sponsored video. I've actually purchased this microphone because I want to use it for voiceovers and videos like this. At the moment, I'm using a Razer Siren, so we're going to have a look to see the difference between a Razer Siren straight out the box with no mods or no effects, and then the difference between that and the NT USB. I might even add in the Blue Yeti microphone as well, because that's my old microphone, but that's kind of temperamental and not working right, so I don't know if I'm going to add that into the video. However, don't forget, like, subscribe, little notification bell, and leave me a comment in the comment section below telling me your favorite USB mic. I know USB mics are not really that thought after. People are not saying, oh my god, USB mic, because everyone wants to get these Go XLRs and the Shure mics, but hey, this is £150, and a Go XLR itself costs more than this mic. So guys, enjoy the video, and I'll see you in a minute. Let's get it! So we have, of course, in front of us the Rode NT USB microphone. Now, I've been looking at this microphone for a while, and just decided this time now, it's time, while I'm doing my new PC setup and while we're changing my desks and all that good stuff, because all this black stuff is going to go, it's all going to be white. I just wanted to kind of get a new mic for a better sound on the voiceovers. So first off, let's take a look what's in the box. And I love this part, I really do, especially if it is packaged nicely. And even though that's not really affecting the product, it actually affects my perception. So I like a nicely packaged mic. And I can say straight away that this microphone, yeah, that packaging's pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool. I like the packaging. So let's just quickly flip it like this. So yeah, so we obviously have this is the pop filter on the front to stop this, if you can hear it. And obviously we've got a little stand for the desk here. So let's take this out. So the stand is only small. However, I think that's just the right size on a desk, possibly to stick this on top and just have it at a nice height. Now underneath here, of course, you have a little user manual, which we never look at that. Sometimes I probably should look at that, but I don't. Basically, we've got a USB-A cable going into the bottom of the mic as well is the other end, which is fine. It's always good. It's a bit sad to see that it's not a braided cable, though, because the way things are now, I kind of would have expected it to be braided or a bit more quality. This is just a standard cable. And I'm going to notice that this is a lot of cable here. There is a lot of cable there. That is literally just one lead. So that's a lot of cable. Let's have a look at what else we've got in here. This is cool. A Rode carry case. So if you're on the move, you can literally stick the microphone and all the pieces in there. Will the microphone fit in there? We're going to try that in a minute. Put all of it in there and basically carry it around. Again, a book. We don't need that. We're going to chuck that to the side. And I love Rode microphones. A sticker, I believe. It's got to be a sticker. So we've got a little sticker as well to go with it. Again, don't need that. Don't need that. Now this should be the main part. Well, I'm hoping there's a microphone in here. So we have, of course, like I say, the pop filter that comes with the mic. Let's just undo this. Wow. And here is the microphone underneath. Okay. Now I've got to say, this is actually pretty heavy. Heavier than I thought it would be. In fact, yeah, a lot heavier than I thought it would be. So it feels like it's made well. It's made of like a metal, or a steel or whatever it is. And also, the pop filter itself is only plastic, which does feel a bit flimsy. I'm not going to lie. At the bottom here, we have a little tag. You pull that and it releases where the USB goes. So basically the USB goes in the bottom. You also have this part here, which is adjustable. And that's what's going to connect to my mic boom or mic arm. And we're going to be able to adjust the way it goes or where I want it, what position I want it. You can also undo this here to take off the pop filter or the pop shield, And yeah, it looks pretty good, and it's actually really heavy. It's not. So on the side here, we do have some buttons, but we'll go through that all in a second. But as far as like first looks on how it's packaged and how the mic feels, I'm really excited to get closer and hands-on with this microphone. So what we'll do now is basically test the Razer Siren. Well, you can hear it now. You can hear me using the Razer Siren. So how about we just say this is the test of the Razer Siren. You can see that I'm, not too far away from it, but also not on top of the microphone. I'm going to leave the settings exactly the same. Just going to plug the Rode in out of the box, no filters, no Audacity, no change in anything at all when I upload the video. It's basically just going to be raw audio, how it would come out the mic, because me, when I'm looking for a review, I want to hear it how it is out the box. I don't want to hear it by somebody that can change all the settings and knows exactly what he's doing, because if you like me, you're probably not the best at audio, because to be fair, USB mics are not the best to play around with. You can do settings and you can edit it before you upload the videos and stuff. I don't do that. I just do raw audio and then it goes out. So this is the Razer Siren mic. You might want to put some headphones in as well, just so you can hear the difference. But guys, what I'll do now is switch over to the Rode and let's see how that sounds. So right now we're going to use the Rode microphone, and just to add, this microphone is very heavy, so I really did have to tighten up all of my boom arm. I also had to remove the Euro adapter outside of the microphone at the bottom, which is this part. And you can just use a coin or something. Luckily enough, I've got like a PC set and it had like some kind of picks in there that I could just get in and put it into the grooves to remove it. If anyone wants help with that, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll happily just quickly tell you or show you how to do it. So I'm hoping that this sounds better. As I say, this has got nothing in terms of I'm not editing in this in Audacity. I'm not doing anything. I'd like to think I'm a similar distance away, but you do have to appreciate with the pop filter, sometimes you have to get a little bit closer, because at range, these are not made for being sort of away from you. These are made for voiceovers or videos like this, where we can sit in one place and actually record our voice. It's not really, they do say it's made for music, but I've been reviewing or having a look at a lot of reviews, and people are saying when you're playing music through it, it's not the best mic to get. However, for voiceover, for podcasts, stuff like that, it should be fantastic. I haven't heard it yet, of course, because it's the first recording. So let's have a listen and kind of decide now what wins, what comes out on top. And it's not really a competition. It's just me wanting to know if this is going to be more beneficial to me to use, or should I go back to the Razer Siren. Right now, what we'll do is go through some of the specs of the microphone, so you know exactly what it's about, what it does, and what its actual spec sheet is. So when it comes to specs, here they are on the screen. I'm going to leave these on the screen for you and just highlight a couple of them. Now, the polar pattern of this microphone is cardioid, which means that it only takes in the sound from the front of the microphone. If you say, have your keyboard behind the microphone like I do, and you start pressing keys like now, you won't be able to hear any of this at all. Now, it has a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, and it also weighs a big 520 grams. It has a USB output, of course, because it's a USB microphone, and you get a 1-year warranty, and you can extend that for 2 years by registering on the website. Now, the measurements are 184 millimeters from top to bottom and 62 millimeters width. It also has a depth of 50 millimeters, but it's pretty big, it is pretty bulky, but it's still a solid built mic. And of course, you'll notice on the side there are a couple of turn buttons and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, the first turn button, that basically is your mixer or your monitor mixer, where you can pick how much comes out of your mic or how much of your gameplay comes through when you're wearing headphones. And the second one is simply just the headphone volume. It does not affect the mic itself, and it does not have a mute button. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope this helped you in just having a look at the microphone, seeing what it looks like, getting my little bit of an opinion on it. I can't do a full review because I've only just opened the box myself, but what I might do is do a bit of an updated video at a later date, maybe compare it against some other mics. So guys, don't forget again, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this microphone, and I will see you all in the next video. Let's go!